the Tac-Force TF-705FC. That stands for Fall Camo in this edition. It also comes in the BK, that's the Black Police Emblem edition. The GC, which is the Gray Camo edition. The GY, that's a gray handle. The TF-705PK. And the RB, that's a rainbow blade. And the RD, the red handle. One of the coolest knives that you can have. Check it out. Built-in bottle opener. And it is spring assisted, so I'll show you that. It's one of the Speedster models. Close it. To open it. Very cool knife. Belt clip. Blacked out. Does have the glass breaker. Again, to close it. Move that to the side and open it. Awesome knife. And it looks very cool. This is the Fall Camo edition. But, you know, they have the Police edition and the other ones that I named. Great knife. It's made by Master Cutlery. That's a Tac-Force edition.